What's up, guys? This is Juan Corredor from Engineering Room Mac Services. Today I'm gonna do, well, let's do another repair, right? So we have here a A1466. This one is 2013, and the problem with this computer, based on what the information I got from the other store, is it has the 3 bits issue. Okay, so let's check. So it means that instead of the computer turning on, it will give you 3 beeps, beep, 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 and it won't turn on. So we know that that's okay. So the fan is spinning right now. I think it will be easier to show it here. You can hear it, right? There you go. Okay. So the problem with this one is 3 beeps. What 3 beeps means? That's a really old issue, and it's that's a RAM issue. Now on this model, MacBook Airs from 2012 or newer, okay, whatever it is, MacBook Redness or MacBook Air, they don't have the RAM. This is all information. I'm just giving it again. They don't have the slot, so everything comes soldered in the board. So I'll check. Let me show you here in the schematic. Oh, but I don't know yet which board number is it, so I need to remove the hard drive. And let's check where the RAM goes. This is more like for those who are really starting to do logic board repairs or repair on MacBooks. 823437. It's right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 7. There you go. So this is my logic board. How you can see, this is my PCH. This is my hard drive connector. This is my I/O board connector. The power from the MagSafe. And this is the J camera connector, J9500. This is the airport connector, and this is the screen connector, right? So in the other side of the board, it looks like this. And these 4 NANDs, these 4 memories, this is the RAM. Okay, go here. I'll show you here. LPDDR3. What's LPDDR3? That's a RAM. Okay, and if I go here, what it says, LPDDR3 DRAM channel A. Okay, that's the U2300. Same with all 4. If I go for U2500, what I will get almost the same information. LPDDR3 DRAM channel B. Okay, so we already know where RAM is. Now, what these computers fail. Before, this was a very common issue, and normally the board is a flat board, right, and it bends a little. So I believe something it bends too much, and the NAND by itself, one of the solder balls, they got damaged, and that's why it's not communicating. That's why we have that issue. Could be water damage, could be a defective NAND, could be power not coming, data not communicating, could be many different issues. What we're gonna do, our first step is gonna be visual inspection. If we can find anything, that we will go and check if the NANDs, the RAMs, have all what they need to work and communicate. Okay, so let's see. Nice. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to check our RAMs and check if we can see anything. So let's start from, let me check, over here. So this one is U2600. microscope is a little better, a little bit, yes. There you go. Okay, so far good. So U2600, everything looks good. U2500, everything looks good. Same with this one, same with, so even U2300 looks, wait, okay. What is that? What is that? What is that? Let me check. I'm really having a light issue. Need to buy a light, man. Okay, so you see this? Remove. Oh, okay. I can see what's the problem. Looks like sulfate. So the thing is, this looks like sulfate. Even looks a little bit burned. So let's check what was that. This is what we see looks weird. I don't know if they're bad, probably they're not. But this is the PPOB6 SODDRBT. TT. So this on the RAMs, let me check. This provides 0.6 volts on a state on to the RAM. So if for some reason this is shorted to ground and you don't have the 0.6 volts and state on your RAM's computer won't turn on, and then it can read the RAM and they will give you the 3 beeps. And too much coincidence that if that's not good, if that's good, it still will have a RAM issue. So these two here, C2720 and C2719, are these two guys. Again, I don't know how you, but I'm checking my monitor and it looks very, very dark. I think once I try to edit the video and goes to my computer will look better. I believe it's just this monitor, so I need to check that. It looks very weird. So the point is I'm gonna test them both are capacitor. So if one of those or both are short to ground, that's our problem. That should be our problem. I don't know yet, so let's check. No, not shorted to ground. Now let's check in diode mode if they're shorted to ground. No, they're not. This one is. So let me show you this. They're the same line. However, this one, if I touch it, or maybe they lose. So the line is on diode mode shorted to ground. Now I'm gonna check if both have continuity, these 2 points. They're not. So they lose connection. Maybe because the same water. And why there's water there and only there, I believe it's because this phone. I'll show you the phone. So I believe it's because this phone, at some point it went just water inside. This goes like the other side. So it goes like some, I think it's like this. Yeah. It got water. The water could move. It was there and it created an issue there. Okay. Very simple. I'm gonna remove them both. And then our short should be out. Now, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but right now I'm in continuity. Okay? This is ground. This is not, this is PPOV6 SODDRBTTT. Whatever is that. Okay. I know 0.6 volts stayed on for the RAMs. Okay, you see? So this is going to ground. So I know this is ground, right? But this is continuity. It's not. But in diode mode, same. No, this one. Wow. So this one, I know this one is the bad one. This one is good, but they lose connection. So let me remove them, fix whatever I had to fix. Man, that was I thought it would be a little more complicated. That's good. These are perfect to make videos. Can explain a little bit, and it's short. You guys won't get tired. So let's see. I'm gonna remove the small one, C2719, and then I will test the line here at the RP2701. Come on, hurry up. Come on. I don't want to put too much heat, too much air, because I don't want to affect the RAM. Man, this is... I don't know what... It's at 30, so let me put it... Okay. Okay, so again, in diode mode, I'm gonna check. Oh no. Huh. Okay, so still, so now what I'm going to check, I want you to explain me. Can you guys see it? Let me show you. These are the same. Wow, that's crazy. You see? And everything looks good. So I'm guessing that internally it's... Oh. It could be... Now I'm gonna get another board, 3437. I'm gonna compare. have one right here. And let me see. Okay. You see? So, I don't know why. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to remove these two, put it there, and I'm going to test the... that was weird. Should be fast now. God damn it. I lost it, of course, always. So let me grab another one. No way. Come on, focus, man. Okay. They're back. Let me clean it and let's test it. Now let me check if these two still not making contact, so I'm gonna run a wire. Because they have to be in contact. They're brothers. Okay, looking better. Okay. So first, let's check it right away. Let's see. Let's cross our fingers and wait for the best. Okay. See how everything goes. 1, 2, and the third time should work. There you go. That's it. That was my RAM issue. It was very simple, very easy. I think this has been one of the easiest RAM issues I ever had. Good thing I decided to record this. Okay, so I'm gonna explain very quick what happened. I received this computer from another people, from another store. They told me, okay, I have 3 RAM. They didn't touch it. They did anything on the computer. They brought it to me, start to record it, open it, start to check, and then we went directly to the RAM because we have a RAM issue. I said, okay, let's do a visual inspection, and if it doesn't work, let's measure all the lines in that provide power and data back and forth from the RAMs. It was very simple, close to U2300, 2300, there was a C2720 and C2719. I also see some sulfate liquid residue. So I removed them, clean it, and then put 2 new caps. I took them from a donor board, and then as I saw from the beginning, the C2720 and C2719. Oh, I mean the C2720.1 was making contact with the line PPOB6 SODD-RBTT. Reason why I decided to make a wire. Test the computer. Computer's working. Very simple. So that's it, guys. This is one from Engineering Room Services. See you next time.